Welcome back, everybody. So today we are out in the garage. We are working on the 2020 Can-Am Spyder F3T, and what we're doing today is I'm going to kind of be behind the camera for most of this. We are installing armrests. Well, we'll start here. I found a Facebook group, Spyder Riders, Hill Country, Texas, so we started riding with them. My wife discovered that most of these people have RTs and RTs have armrests. And she told me, if you ever want me to ride with you, you're going to have to get me an RT and or armrest. So here we are with armrests. I got these from Slingmods, and it comes with this piece of paper telling you, how to install. You can pause and read through it. It looks like it's pretty explanatory. These things are adjustable, so you can swing them out a little bit. I'll show you that once we get this together. And we have all the parts. The only thing I'm a little confused with is when installing a top case, use the washer F9, which just shows it's a regular washer. And it's showing a sleeve as well. So we're just going to take this apart. This is a hex. The factory is a 6mm. And I had to open the top case. Now I could grab an electric impact gun. Oh, that's tight. And that's the Loctite we're hearing. I could grab my impact gun and buzz these out really quick, but I pride myself on showing everybody with just simple hand tools how to work on the Spyder. And we have blue Loctite. You can probably see that in the threads. The rule is that, yes, you should use Loctite, especially on, yeah, it's tight. I probably should have grabbed my bigger ratchet. I'm just going to take this off and we're going to look. Now, unfortunately, I'm going to lose my grab bars, it looks like. So maybe what I'll do is later on try to adapt these grab bars. That way she has... Oh, that one has a washer. That one has a washer. Okay. So underneath these are washers. I think I will use the washers. Now, it doesn't say anything. The Passanger Armrest kit exclusively designed for your vehicle. Please read instructions thoroughly before installing. Easier, clean, free, debris, safety, blah, blah, blah. Now, I need to say this. This is for entertainment purposes only. If you don't know how to pick up a wrench, or you don't even know what a wrench is, don't, please. Okay, so this says we need to clean. So let's clean this. And we have said washer, but it only shows one said washer. Start by pre-assembling. I do not have the top case. Okay. So before we do that, let's go ahead and pop Okay. we go. That is off. Let's go ahead and remove this. I do not have the top case, so we can just install okay, that one's started. They come with these little washers. Oh, I thought I had that one started. Apparently I did not. You know what? I don't have the top case, but I do have that. So I think I'm going to install this washer. I'd rather it stick out a little bit. Right. And then we switch to a 5 hex, 5 millimeter. Okay, now whenever you're running down bolts, don't tighten one up all the way and then try to start the other one, because it just doesn't work that way. You're going to pinch and you're not going to be able to get the other one. And I'm just kind of, oh, we did a little. Okay. What do we think? Can you see that? And all I was doing was moving this in and out. Okay. So let's see if we can put on the backrest. How does this fit? Now, is this going to be in my back? No. But I can see getting on and off of this, it's going to be a little harder. So it looks like it's somewhat adjustable. I can move it back a little bit. I'll have to see what she thinks, to be honest with you, what she wants. So, this is the armrest. You can see where they attach, you know, kind of different colors between the two. Here's where you adjust it. I don't know what to think yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten these two up, and I'm going to go to the other side and install that really quick. I'm going to put the seat on it. And I mean, the only way we're going to see if she likes this is when she gets home, she's going to have to sit on the Spyder. I mean, that's just all there is to it. So on that, I think I'll let everybody go. I mean, it was super easy. You only got a couple bolts, and then you have these adjustable armrests. They're about half the cost of the OE, and they kind of look OE. I just need to see if I can rig up the armrests somehow so she can have her cup holder that she wants as well. So if you could, please give me a big thumbs up. Stay safe. See you down the road. All right, welcome back. So I have it fully installed. It looks all right. We really need a top case on this thing. A couple things. I do not like the factory hardware. It's just super cheap. So I went ahead and I used the original. If you want the capped kind of look, go out and get some new ones. Don't use this hardware. It is super cheap. Like I said, I used the factory one. And about the only issue I see now is I can't take off the backrest. I don't even think it's going to be an issue, but we'll see. I think what I'll have to do is space this out a little further, but we'll see. We'll put some miles on this. We'll come back and let you know how she likes it. I think it looks good. It's close to the factory setting. Now, if you do use, well, it looks like the factory armrest, I should say, and they are adjustable right here. And then you just pull that out. Okay, so if you do use the factory hardware, use the factory washer that comes with it, because this is so soft, it bends and then it screws, it turns out, and you can see what it did. No big deal. I can take a little touch-up paint or not even worry about it. I think these are kind of stupid looking, but for $250, I don't think I'm going to complain. And like I said, we'll get Debbie on this and see what she thinks. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a top case for that. And that way we can put our helmets in it. But yeah, that's it. I think that's about the only thing I don't like is the hardware. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I got these from Slingmods, paid full price. And shipped here pretty cool, pretty quick. I like the look of them. They look very factory. That's going to make her feel a little bit better. And we'll see. We'll see how she likes it. So if you could, give me that big old thumbs up. Stay safe, everybody. See you down the road.